Somalia must be war. Terrorists wanted to suppress Somalia.
What do you say? Somalia must be war.
Terrorists wanted to suppress Somalia. But you say Somalia must be war.
Thank you, all the gallant AU, for keeping Somalia warm.
Go.
Attention to lagu.
We are having a terrorist threat, as you are aware. We are in a vulnerable situation, but we have to perform as best as we can with the support of AMISOM police and the AMISOM military, and as well as other Somali security institutions.
And this is only the beginning.
in aan mataqaanaa u diro fariin message dhamaantood oo aan sameeyo sidka waad le create one.
Our policing functions will work jointly in areas that's been identified, where our joint operations will be focused there. We will conduct policing activities to ensure public safety, community safety, and ensure the people of Mogadishu and Somalia are safe during the Ramadan season. Our operations will be coordinated from the Joint Operations Center at Somali Police Headquarters.
Everyone stands really united to bring back, improve and maintain security in Mogadishu and even other parts of the country. So I would say the UNSOM police will be less visible, but will also play its part, which is a different role. We are there in a function of advising and some forms of support.